everyone, welcome back to another vlog. And for all of my new and returning subscribers, welcome. We are so happy and we feel so blessed that you are here. So today, you guys, we're going shopping. But before we get into the video, for those of you that are new, click that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of our new uploaded videos, and click the like button. Now, the reason for this shopping trip is because if you've been following me for a minute, you know that for Father's Day, the women of the church gifted the husbands, the fathers, a fishing trip. And so today, we're gonna go and purchase, well, I gifted my husband a gift card to Bass Pro. Now, how I gifted him that gift card is through Fetch. This is not sponsored, but if you scan your gift cards, if you scan your receipts, you can earn gift cards. So I gifted him a gift card through Fetch, so he can get. Sorry about him crunching, y'all. We hungry. We probably gonna get something to eat later on. But anyway, that didn't mean for you to stop eating. But anyway, you guys, we're on our way to Bass Pro, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Okay, you guys, so this is the most favorite part of Bass Pro.
I'm home.
The fishing area. So I don't know what particular that he's looking for. What is it that you're looking for, babe? What is it that you're looking for?
Looking for something to put, like a little net with a hook in it. Put my puppy dog food in and go fishing with it.
Okay, is that the only thing you're looking for?
That's it. That's it. I promise.
No, he's not. That's not it. He don't even believe that promise. Guys, so hubby and I have separated in Bass Pro. We're looking, he wants me to help him find he doesn't know the name of it. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm stuttering, but he doesn't know the name of it. He saw it on Amazon, and it is a net that you can put food inside of, and it has a hook inside of the net. I guess you put the fish food in it, and it has a hook in it to catch the fish. So he's going up and down aisles, and I am too, so we can find this particular item that he's looking for. He found what he was looking for. Now, I was over here and I was looking for something totally different than that.
Because I said with something else.
But it's not. It's only $3.99. So, babe, you're gonna have to purchase some more stuff because that gift card is more than $3.99.
That's not a problem. Not a problem. See, I'm trying to find one. I can squeeze it open like this. Squeeze it. I put pick a dog food in there. Right? Then fish with. I said we ain't got the dog food there for that.
Everyone, welcome back. It has been a couple of days later. As you all know, hubby is going on a fishing trip today with the men of the church. So he had mentioned to me last night that he wanted meatloaf for dinner tonight. So I'm still trying to stay within my $20 budget that I had made for myself, but I have been going over just a little bit. Now you can make a budget for yourself of what you want to do, but this is a challenge that I made for me. I want to see if I can stay within $20, but I have been going over just a little bit. Now it is depending on where you shop and if there are sales going on for the items that you're purchasing. So I'm still trying to stay within $20, and I think meatloaf and the other sides that I'm going to put with the meatloaf will be within the $20, and it may go over just a little bit. I've been seeing quite a few creators do budget meals, but I want mine to stay more on the healthier side, meaning have your protein, your vegetable, and you know, and your breads, I guess you want to say. And I know some of the things that we do prepare for our family isn't so healthy. And let me speak for myself, I don't know what you all are doing, okay? I can't say that you're not making budget-friendly meals that are not healthy or healthy. So let me just speak for myself. So I'm gonna make meatloaf tonight with spinach, and yes, the spinach is gonna be in a can. Curry potatoes with Jiffy cornmeal. I'm not gonna make the cornbread from scratch. This is what my family likes, and having a vegetable, especially, you know, you don't wanna have a whole lot of starches and stuff like that. You do wanna have more of vegetables like greens and different things to go with your meal to make it healthy. I'm gonna go to Kroger's. And yes, I know I could go to Aldi's or some other places, but like I said, when I shopped at Aldi's before, and I thank a few of you for saying that, you know, if you buy some of the Aldi name brand, Aldi brand, not name brand, you'll get a better deal. So I am gonna go shopping at Aldi's again. Not today though, but I am gonna go shopping at Aldi's again to see if I can find some deals and healthier meals that I can feed my family on a budget. $20 budget. Excuse me. So I'm not going to continue to ramble on. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me as I go shopping. Now there are some items I still have at home that I'm going to use to make dinner tonight, but there's some items that I do not have. But I'm going to show you prices at Kroger's because that's where I shop, and that's where I'm going today, of the items that I need to get and that I already have, because I got some of these items from Kroger's. I'm going to show you the prices so I can, you know, give you an idea if I am staying within budget or if I go a little over budget. Now the last video you saw, I stayed within budget, but due to the taxes, it took me over my $20 budget, but still was within the $20 budget. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna go shopping. Okay, you guys, so as you can tell, we are back home. We've been home for a while, but right now I'm getting ready to make dinner. So I wanted to come on here to give you a breakdown. I know in the grocery store I showed you different prices of the items that I got, but this meal right here, it is approximately $19.28, and that is including tax. Before tax is $18.02, but with tax this is $19.28, and I came under my budget of $20. So the ingredients that I will be using to make my meatloaf, everybody makes their meatloaf different. I already have here like the different seasonings and seasoning packs or whatever. So let me show you the items I got. So the ground turkey, the cost of that was $3.49, so I got 2 of those. I already had it here. Next we have the russet potatoes, and for this pack of potatoes the cost was $3.99. We have an onion. I already had the onion here, but I still want to show you guys the cost of the onion, and the onion was $1.39. We have 2 cans of spinach. So I only purchased 1 at Kroger's, but I needed another one because if I wanted to feed my family, 1 can wouldn't be enough. So for the spinach, it was $1.69 a can. For the tomato paste that I'll be using in my meatloaf, that was $1.29. And you guys, Jiffy Mix was 99 cents. So this would be a good meal. You still can feed your family on a $20 budget. So let's get started. When I was making this up. So what this is here is A1 steak sauce, ketchup, and tomato paste. Okay, you guys, hubby is home from his fishing trip. Give the people a recap of the trip. Did you enjoy it?
It was excellent. So we had about 17 fathers and sons combined total. So we had 2 boats and we divided, and dirty boat caught 4 fish and my boat didn't catch any.
Oh, wow.
But guess what though? It was beautiful hanging out with the brothers, with their kids. It was fun. So it was well worth every penny of it. So now I'm at home with a good hot cooked meal.
And that is a...
It is what?
What I was going to say, that is a $20 meal. Really, it's less than $20 that you will be eating on for a couple of days or more.
You might be a keeper, girl. Yeah. No, you can't get in it.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, dinner is done. Hubby is enjoying his dinner. I would like to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with everyone you know. And also, Hubby wanted me to share with you guys some pictures that he sent to me of him and the men of the church on their fishing trip. So I'm going to insert that here.